Hello, good evening, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn conditional two sentences. Already we did conditional 0 and conditional 1. So we'll focus today on conditional 2 and we'll take the part 1. There are three parts, we'll focus on part 1. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started with our session. Okay, conditional 2. Conditional two sentences are hypothetical situation in present and its possible result in present. So everything going to be in present. All right. So first thing you require is a definition, which I told you just now. Hypothetical situation in present and its possible result in present. All right, hypothetical means फर्जी. So फर्जी situation सूरत हाल present में और उसका मुमकिन नतीजा भी present. In this one you are just making air castles like ख्याली cloud. आप अभी बैठे हुए हैं इस टाइम में present time में और आप कल्पना कर रहे हैं यार अगर मैं डॉक्टर होता ना तो मैं उसका इलाज करता. So like this kind of sentences. All right. So we'll focus today part 1 and the part 1 is called state of being. State of being. State of being. Being मतलब होना. कुछ अगर मैं कुछ होता, अगर मैं डॉक्टर होता, अगर मैं पुलिस होता, अगर मैं टीचर होता, अगर फातिमा एक डॉक्टर होती, अगर फातिमा अच्छी होती, अगर फातिमा अमीर होती, अगर फातिमा के पास फातिमा ये होती वो. So like this kind of sentence. Okay. अगर मैं कुछ होता, जस्ट फॉर इट, अगर मैं कुछ होता, मतलब होना इसमें, अगर मैं कुछ होता वो कुछ होता, समथिंग लाइक दैट. All right. So before we make any sentence, we require the structure. Of course, I'll just write the formula or the structure for this kind of sentences. Structure, that is if clause, always if plus subject plus everything were. We have to use were because these are the imaginaries. They're not real sentences. Imaginary. You're just putting in your brain. You're making air castles and you're making. So we have to use were with every subject. If subject were plus other words. Other words. And the main clause or the result clause is the subject. And you have to put would plus V1, word first form plus other words. Other words. All right. So we'll start generating sentences now. Based on this structure, first you require if, then you need the structure, this one, subject, were, other words, subject, would, be one, word first form and other words. All right. For instance, if I say, अगर मैं अमीर होता तो मैं गरीब लोगों की मदद करता. You know, if conditional. Okay, if अगर मैं अमीर होता, subject, if I were rich, other words. Okay, so what are the consequences? मैं गरीब लोगों की, I would help poor people. All right, if I were rich, I would help. As simple as that. Okay, I have written some Urdu also here. अगर मैं अमीर होता तो पूरी दुनिया घूमता. अच्छा, मैं अगर वो अमीर होता, अगर वो अमीर होता तो पूरी दुनिया. I'll just make some. I want to change the subject. All right, अगर वो अमीर होता, if he were rich, he would visit around the world. As you see, so simple and so easy. Okay, we'll make one more. अगर वो यहाँ होती हमारी मदद करती, अगर वो anybody, some friend, some grandmother, somebody. All right, अगर वो यहाँ होती हमारी मदद. If she were here, वो हमारी मदद करती, she would help us. Very interesting. Okay, one more. अगर हम फारिग होते, हम आपसे मिलने आते, अगर हम फारिग होते, if we were free, we would visit you. As simple as that. Or we would meet you. Or we would visit you. अगर वो तैयार होते, हम मीटिंग शुरू करते. अगर वो तैयार होते, वो तैयार ही तो मीटिंग नहीं. अगर वो तैयार होते तो हम मीटिंग शुरू करते. If they were ready, we would start meeting. लास्ट, अगर ये मुमकिन होता मैं नई गाड़ी खरीदता. अगर ये मुमकिन होता तो मैं, if it were, everything it were possible, I would buy new car. Guys, I hope you understood. Again, one more time. Conditional two-type sentences, actually hypothetical situation in present and its possible result in present. यानी कि फर्जी सूरत हाल प्रेजेंट में और उसका मुमकिन नतीजा भी प्रेजेंट में. Alright? And the structure if plus subject, were, everything you have to put were because these are the imaginary, not real, hypothetical, furthy sentences. Other words. And the result clause, subject, would, be one, and other words. I hope you understood this one. If you come across something which you didn't understand, you can just write your comments. I'll get back to you. And thank you so very much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.